Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we will discuss about numbers divisible by 6 or not. So this is our first program on loops. So our explanation is completely based on the assumption you are a fresher, you are a beginner in the programming. Based on that, our explanation will be. Coming to today's class, in order to understand this class, so whatever the concepts we discussed previously about loops, operators and different operators and variables concepts, please watch the classes and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, we need to write a program to display numbers divisible by both 6 and 8. Numbers from 1 to 100. So we need to take numbers from 1 to 100. In that numbers 1 to 100, we need to display the numbers that are divisible by both 6 and 8. Divisible by both 6 and 8 means the number should be divisible by 6. So the remainder is 0. The number should be divisible by 8. The remainder is equal to 0. Then we can say that the given number is divisible by both 6 and 8. So coming to the example, see here, we need to take numbers one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on up to 100. So in our last class when we discussed the loops concept, so we are taking numbers one by one until the condition satisfies. So how many numbers we have to take here? We need to take numbers from while I less than or equal to 100 up to 100. This is the condition satisfied. It should be satisfied. Until then you have to execute the loop. And one more point we discussed in our last class. For loop, you have to maintain 3 conditions. Initialize the variable. Initially, from where it has to start, we need to take numbers from 1 to 100. That's why int I is equal to 1. Initially, the I value is 1. And we have to check the condition, then update the variable. I is getting updated to 2, 3, 4, 5. So, in this loop, we are taking numbers from 1 to 100. Now understand this concept one by one. Int initialize the variable I is equal to 1 while I less than or equal to 100. It is going to check the condition. Yes, 1 less than or equal to 100. It will go inside and check and execute the code which we have written in the loop. And one more point we have discussed in the last class when we discuss in the loops, when we are going to use the loops. If you want to execute a logic or some block of code multiple times, then we go with loops. So what's the logic we need to execute? We need to execute a logic that checks the conditions whether the given number is divisible by 6 or 8, 6 and 8. This logic is written here. This logic has to be executed for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on up to 100. All the numbers, same logic we have to apply. That's why we have written it in a loop. Now coming to the logic part, how we are going to check the condition that the given number is divisible by 6 or not. So in our previous classes when we discussed the arithmetic operators, modulus operator is going to give you the remainder value. So this modulus operator is very important. Many of the logics we are going to use modulus operator. So how we have written that? 1 less than or equal to 100. Yes, condition true. It will come inside the loop. It is going to check the condition. If I, when it come into the loop, what is the I value? 1. 1 modulus 6 equal to 0 means if this condition satisfies, the number is divisible by 6. If it is not satisfied, it is not divisible by 6. And logical and this condition should be true and this condition should be true. The number should be divisible by both 6 and 8. That's why logical and. So the same number 1 modulus 8 should be equal to 0. If these two conditions satisfied, then the overall condition is true. We will go inside the if statement and we are going to display the number. So which numbers it is going to be satisfied? 1 not satisfied, 2 not satisfied, 3 not satisfied, 6 is divisible by 6 but it is not divisible by 8. 24 is the number which is going to divisible by both 6 and 8. 24 modulus 6 is equal to 0, 24 modulus 8 is equal to 0. Similarly, 24, 48, 72, 96. These are the 4 numbers which are divisible by both 6 and 8. So if you are beginner to the programming, understand this program step by step, multiple times. This understanding is helping you a lot in understanding the complex examples, complex assignments which we are going to do in our next classes. And in our website, we are going to provide you class tests, different tests, practice tests and assignments. Those assignments you can solve if you have this basic understanding. Hope you understand this example. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.